This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download ProtonVPN. So I'm right here on the main download page for ProtonVPN. It's quite a good looking downloads page as downloads pages go. You can find this at this incredibly long and wordy URL right here, which I will of course put this as a link in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Makes it super simple. Now ProtonVPN, the download page will work out what operating system you have. It's correctly identified I have MacOS. I can click this drop down right here and I can go for different versions depending on the specific version of macOS that I have right here. You can also view the plans directly from there. We have some pretty detailed connection instructions here once you've actually downloaded the installer. That's really helpful. And then if we scroll on down, so if you have Windows, it will know you have Windows and you'll see a page like this and you can just download from this button right here. They also have a couple of different versions. They've got the 64 version, the ARM64 version. For the 64-bit version there, they do have a 32-bit version somewhere as well. So again, you've got a Windows version, a macOS, they've got Android, iPhone, iPad, Linux, and then they've got these browser extensions here for Chrome and Firefox. There's a Chromebook, an Apple TV, an Android TV, and a Fire TV. So yeah, they really make it easy for you to use ProtonVPN on pretty much anything. So I'm going to click back on the Mac version. We've got this Mac specific page here. All that's left to do is click this purple and white button for download for Mac OS. We now pick our poison. I'm going to go with Mac OS 14 or newer, as everything is up to date on my Mac. And just like that, you'll see the icon fly up in the top corner, which tells us on a Mac that it has been downloaded. So depending on your browser, I'm on a Mac, like I say, with Google Chrome, it will go to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different depending on your browser configuration. Hopefully you found this video on how to download ProtonVPN useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.